So you're moving to Argentina. What should you bring? So I've said it before and I'll say it right now. Products are expensive. So real quick, let me break down exactly what is the tax that's being added on. And it's called the Common External Tariff. And this ranges from 0 to 20%. The one that I'm more focused on is the manufacturer, and that's 13%. So in addition to that, there's more taxes. There's another one that's called the VTA, and that's about 10.5% that's added on. And companies also have to pay insurance and freight, which is about 21% of whatever the product costs. So after all that, what do things cost here? So this computer, I paid $1,300, here, $2,300. This Apple TV, about $140 right now. Here in Argentina, $220. Stanley thermos, paid about $25, here in Argentina, $120. Portable projector, I paid $400, here, good luck finding it. So these Bose headphones, I paid $170, here, $190. You see, not all products are gonna have that tax, but when they do, they're expensive. So I'd say just do some research and pay attention on the prices here. If you're planning on waiting off on something before you move and getting it here in Argentina, just know that it's gonna be a big price difference for a lot of different things. So you see, that's the first problem. You gotta first know that the prices are gonna be different, but then also that some of the products are gonna be even hard to just find. So pay attention when you are coming here that you're bringing exactly what you wanna bring, because waiting off for you to buy that stuff here in Argentina may be a big mistake. All right, so with that being said, I do think there are some key things that I think you should bring if you're planning on being here for the long term. So first up, I would say is a coffee machine. This has been hands down one of the best things that I did bring to Argentina. I love drinking coffee and I drink it all the time. So why not bring myself my own coffee machine? Also buying this one for 50 bucks compared to here where it's about $200 at least for an espresso machine like this. The only thing is, you gotta remember that the voltage is gonna be different. So we did have to buy a transformer for this to work and convert the power. No, yeah, for sure. Okay, yeah. She said like and subscribe. So one of the more important things, and hands down you need to bring with you, is gonna be a phone. But when you do bring your phone, make sure that it's gonna be a paid off phone. That way, instantly you can throw in a chip from here in Argentina and not have to deal with any carrier fees that you're doing for being international. Have a paid off phone. If you're gonna be here short term, long term, no matter what, having a paid off phone, 100%. You even get taxed for clothing. So I've been having this issue for a little while now, having a lot of wind noise in my videos. Trying to find that little dead cat, what they call it, little fuzzy thing for the camera. I cannot find it anywhere, so now I gotta make one. So this issue has been driving me absolutely crazy, and there's a fabric store up ahead that I'm gonna see what they got. Oh, muchas gracias. All right, I think mission accomplished. So we got the wind test before. How does it sound? Sound test with the new wind stopper. How does that sound? So update. This is not gonna work. So yeah, brand clothes are expensive here. So what I mean by that is you can get almost the same clothes that you can get in the United States. The part where it becomes expensive is the fact that you don't have the 50% discount, 75% off, just those big sales that we have usually in the stores in the United States. Here it's full price. So is it a good idea to buy clothes here in Argentina? I don't think so. So in conclusion, you need to bring a phone that's unlocked, enough tech to last you for a little while. A coffee machine is gonna be 100% necessary, and bring enough clothing to last you a long time. And for a bonus product, bring a termo for the mate.